Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap St. Mary's local, and long distance movers near me. Long distance moving is characterized as moving items across a distance of 50 miles and above. We have a strong working association with the government and local officials accountable for the migration process. We can move your belongings securely across state lines, locally and inside the state. We've additionally made insurance plans to cover any risks that might emerge during and after the relocation. Our expert movers and drivers guarantee that your assets show up at their objectives securely and on schedule. We never cheat our clients, and our costs are sensible. We are no exemption to the standard that local relocations are considerably less costly than long-distance moves. Our local moving expenses are generally reasonable, going from $30 to $40 each hour. Our dedicated movers will give you extraordinary value in exchange for the service fee you pay. We know how to get around congested regions and urban areas, so you can have confidence that your belongings will show up securely and on schedule. Our group of local movers is the most incredible in the business, and they're focused on fastidiously setting up the move and settling on the most ideal decisions conceivable. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our St. Mary's moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.